everyone, so today I'm doing an old school get ready with me. I'm doing my hair, makeup and outfit. It's been the longest time since I've done a video like this, and even like a voiceover, so if you guys still enjoy watching voiceovers, please let me know so I know to do some more. I was just getting ready to go out for dinner and drinks with my friends and thought I would show you guys what I wore in my makeup and everything, and honestly it was a bit of a disaster. You guys will see shortly, so you know, thumbs up if you do enjoy my torture.
To say what you wanna hear.
Honestly, like, can I be any more vigorous? Don't mind my fake tan as well. It's really bad. I still had the guard on, the color guard, so it looks super crazy and super dark, but yeah. The next day it didn't look so bad. You guys know how it is.
Take me apart. Let the pieces fall to the cold ground where they belong. I'll play the part.
Start my makeup, I am just chucking on some concealer around my eyebrows. You guys know I love doing this because it just makes my tattoos look nice and fresh. I've tattooed eyebrows and it kind of conceals any imperfections around my eyebrows, like stray hairs, makes them look instantly filled in without any product, and then I can just add less product later on rather than having to like do shitloads of product. I use a really small amount and my eyebrows end up looking a little bit more natural but still really perfect.
Take me apart. Let the pieces fall to the cold ground where they belong.
This is why it takes me so long to get ready for a night out. Just all the dumb shit I do. I'm drinking Barocca, you know, gotta get your vitamins, taking selfies, the lighting kept changing, so I was just having a bit of a hissy fit. Anyway, I'm starting on my eye makeup today, so I'm popping on some eye primer and spreading that all out. And then here begins the disaster. I love Beige Cosmetics duh, but this eyeshadow palette, for some reason I couldn't get it to work very well for me. I love the color scheme in here. I started with this really light kind of beige neutral color. It's a little bit darker than my natural skin tone, so I was just putting this all through the crease, and you know, it was starting off well. And then I went in with this like baby pink kind of color, which is fine, and added a little bit of that to the crease as well, just to brighten up the look a little bit. I wanted to do something slightly colorful. This next color was kind of disappointing for me. It just was not blending very well. It wasn't very pigmented. You can kind of see, you know, like, I don't know, I was trying to blend it out and build it up and it was just patchy, and then I don't know, it was like disappearing. I don't know what was happening, but I was doing my best. I eventually do give up and go into a different palette, but can you see what I mean? Look at me, I'm so stressed. I think this look on my face, I'm like, I can make this work. This is all fine. Everything is fine, but really I'm dying inside, and it was just starting to really piss me off. So I tried my best to make it work, but it just was not working for me whatsoever. I have a lot of fun with these Jelly Much shadows by Colourpop. I have a discount code for these down below. You can check the down bar for a full list of products I use with links and everything. And then I went in with a lip brush just to really build it up and kind of cut my crease a little bit softly. It's not like a dramatic cut crease or anything. But yeah, putting away that other palette, I went into a Chi palette and went in with a bright purple and then a darker kind of color just to define that outer corner and crease and just try to make the look a bit better. I was still struggling. Like, the look on my face is basically me just being like, why did I not just start over? Because it was almost more effort to try and fix it than it would have been just to like start fresh, but oh well.
To say what you wanna hear. I will bite my tongue till I disappear.
I swear just adding that concealer made the look a lot better. You can still see it's a bit patchy, but hey, we were trying our best, right guys? So just concealing under my eyes. This is the first concealer out of two I'm going to use just because it's really brightening. And then next up I'm going to use foundation. This fake tan, like I said, I've got the guard on, so it's like way darker than normal. So I had to use one of my darkest foundations, which is the YSL one in BD50, and then I took the Benefit foundation in shade 2 afterwards just to lighten it up a little bit. On camera it kind of looks like this YSL foundation matches, but honestly it was a little bit dark. It's just the lighting, you know, with the window in front of me and everything made it look good, but IRL, no, not good at all. Side note too, while I'm editing this, I noticed that there's an expiry date on that left product, 2016. Whoops, bit YOLO I guess. Side note, I ended up wiping off like 2/3 of that freaking product because I pumped way too much on my face. So I'm actually only using like a tiny amount just to lighten my foundation slightly. Anyway.
I'm hanging on to every word that you breathe because my sanity has been lost to me, lost to me, lost to me, lost to me.
Right here I'm using my well rested under my, no actually Summer Bisque, I lied to you. Summer Bisque by Bare Minerals just to set my concealer.
Yeah, I can't find myself because I don't know who I am without you, without you. 'Cause my identity has been lost to me. I can't find myself.
And then I'm going in with a dark eyeliner. I kind of regret this. I don't know, I used to always wear dark eyeliner on my waterline and now I feel like it makes my eyes look tiny. But anyway, it's something different I guess for the video.
Because I don't know who I am without you, without you. 'Cause my identity, no, who am I to say what you wanna hear?
Using a little bit of a shimmer on that inner part of my lower lash line. I also applied a little bit of this just on my brow bone, and then I'm using a pomade product to fill in any gaps of my eyebrows. I'm using a little amount. It kind of looks like I go in with a lot, but I spread it out and just, yeah, make sure that they don't look too blocky, I guess. Next up, I'm just doing my liner and lashes, and it looks like, not liner, sorry, mascara, oh my god, get it together, Shannon. Anyway, this mascara is like one of my favorites, but it's completely dried out, that's why it looks like it didn't work very well, but I do love it. And the lashes I am wearing today are called The Brave by XO Beauty. Don't mind me like picking my nose with my friggin' Q-tip, by the way. It was really itchy, okay? I don't know why I left it in. Anyway, applying lashes. I kind of wish I did even more dramatic lashes just because I feel like, I don't know, I don't know, something about the eye makeup. I just feel like I should have used darker colors. I don't know, it's probably just because the shadows are patchy. I don't know, it's just one of those days, but I feel like it still came together alright. The lashes look beautiful still. Next up, I'm taking my Run Wild palette by Tina and using this color to contour, and I also use this to blush as well. To go with the eye makeup, like the purpley pink tones, I went for a really nice light champagne color highlight. This one's like super blinding. And on my lips, I'm using my Kali Bible Un Maquillage little collection. Nice brown lip pencil and just the most beautiful lipstick. I don't even know how to describe the color. It's like the perfect everyday, like kind of nude / pink. I don't even know, but you've got to get it. I kept noticing throughout the video I had these random like patches where I'd obviously got my arm wet or like my hand wet. Look at my hand tan. Oh my god, I'm such a mess, honestly, but it looked perfect the next day. I just probably shouldn't have fake tan the same day as filming this video because it looks a little bit terrible. I was trying to salvage my eye makeup and just make it a little bit more intense. I was adding that, and then I added like the contour color in my crease as well. And I just have to like show you this to annoy you as well, because when I edited this I was getting so annoyed at myself. Every time I go to dip into the contour color, I almost dip into a different color. I never did. Like, I'm only using the contour color, but look, every damn time. What are you doing? I clipped in some extensions, brushed my hair out, and I'm just going to do some loose, wavy, curly things with my GHD. So you guys probably already know how to do this. You just like flip it around, twist it around, and I'm just curling away from my face. I went to pop on some real cute earrings. I love these, but I just didn't really think that they worked with what I was wearing. So I decided instead just to do a little clip just to like glam up the look a little bit. And then I popped on these clear heels, a cute belt, jeans, and a nice top, and I wore a jacket of course because it's still freezing cold here in New Zealand. Comment below, let me know where you live. Is it warm or is it freezing at the moment? And that's my finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Very simple, light purpley colors on the eyes and just a nice, cute, like dressy, but not too over the top outfit. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!